Hello, kumusta? My name is Ali. Welcome back to my channel. For this episode, we are doing grocery haul and fridge organization in two parts. For those who don't know yet, we are currently based in Canada. Because of the cold weather, plus the current pandemic, we usually stock in bulk so that we don't go out that much. Let me give you a peek of how our life goes here.
So today is Monday. Monday for me is grocery day. I don't usually do grocery on the weekends because I avoid high traffic on grocery stores. And since I'm doing the grocery today, I'm thinking of sharing some tips on how to organize your fridge and freezer. We will restock foods and household items that will last us for a few weeks so that we don't have to go back to the grocery store more often. And here we are, store number 1, Costco. Yeah, lasagna. Yeah. Black one. Toblerone.
When my friends will say, ang usapan grocery, hindi shopping.
And we're done with the store number 1. We're heading to store number 2. Store number 2, Superstore.
We finished unloading the groceries, but we need to go out again to pick up the kids.
Whoa!
Mommy, I wasn't expecting you.
You weren't expecting mommy, huh? How was the school today? Good. Good. Hey, go to your seat now. We're gonna go to Winners, and I'm gonna buy you some new boots, right?
Boots. Let's go. Put your seatbelt on.
We're gonna buy your new boots, and Ate will buy some new winter jackets.
What are you saying?
Boots.
What about you're saying about my jacket?
Your jacket is so cute.
You have a hiccup.
Yes, I do.
Say hi!
Usually there is a store number 3, which is an Asian store for Korean and of course, Filipino foods. But we will do that in another day because we need to get the kids ready for the winter season. And true enough, this is what happened 2 days later. Now it's time to tackle our groceries, starting from those which are going into the freezer. To organize my freezer, I'm using Ziploc freezer bags and a Sharpie. These are simple things that will help you store more foods in your freezer. When I buy meat in bulk like this is too big to be stored in the freezer the same way. But what I do, I will cut it into portion, put them into the Ziploc bags, and then label it for what menu is it or what part of the meat it is. You know I am a wife and a mom first, but sometimes I'm a gardener, I'm a builder, but I guess for today, I'm a butcher. I am not against using container to store your food in the freezer. That's okay because that's reusable. That is more environmental friendly. But the thing is, I have a small freezer and I have to maximize the space that I have in my freezer. So finally, I'm done with the pork loin. I still have salmon, ground beef, pork side ribs, chicken wings, and chicken thighs. Leah, can you run the dishes?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna run the dishes.
Okay. So let's start with the salmon. So I'm done with the salmon. I'm putting the first portion
portion in the freezer. This one will go to the fridge because I'm going to cook it tomorrow. Let's move on to ground beef. Okay, so I'm done with the ground beef. I have 4 servings. My family likes fried rice with ground beef, so these are 4 fried rices. Next is chicken wings. Okay, this is the easiest. Chicken wings. Next, chicken thighs. I'm done with the chicken thighs. I have 4 portions here. But I have a tip for you. When you are cooking or planning to cook on something that is not requiring too much meat, what I do is I put them on the same Ziploc bag, and then I make a line in the middle so that they are separated into 2 portions, and then I let it freeze like that. So for this one, I'm using it for chicken alfredo and macaroni soup, so I don't need too much meat. Next is pork ribs. Yes, done with the pork ribs. So I have 1 for sinigang, nilaga, and baked ribs. Okay, yes. But no, there's more. This is almost 2 kilograms of chicken fries, and by the looks of it, it will occupy large space in the freezer. Just a tip when you are using freezer bags, make sure that before you close it, you take the air out so that it's not bumpy or flat, so that you don't have issues stacking them up like this. See? And I'm done with this. This is a frozen panko breaded shrimp. Usually what I notice is when you have food in the box stays in the bottom of the freezer, and when you want to use it or cook it, you have to remove those items that are on top of it. So to help you with that, what I do, I divide them into portions. Because I don't intend to use them all at once, I'm going to divide them in portions. Maybe I can make 3 or 4. By the way, the size of this freezer bag is 7 inches by 7 inches. This size is just enough for my family, but if you have a big family, maybe you can use a larger size, but the process would be the same. For easier tracking, I also make an inventory of all the foods that I'm freezing, and every time I take one out, I cross it out as well in the list so that I know what's inside there. Now I'm done repacking the foods that I'm going to freeze. Let me show you all of this. On top of the food that I packed, I have few remaining items in my freezer from my previous grocery. I have still 2 tilapia, 2 frozen bananas, 1 pork tonkatsu, 1 spring roll wrapper, and I have 4 packs of french fries, and I have 4 packs of corn. Now we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because I have 1 pack of this before. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, maybe 48. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you got inspired on how to manage your grocery haul and prepare your supplies for storage. See you in part 2 of my grocery haul and fridge organization. Hit that subscribe button and get your hands on board. See you all in part 2 on how to manage your grocery haul and
So, ang malikot din, oh. Malikot. Wala tasing gimbal eh. Sabi nga nila, bumili kang gimbal. Wala, kamahal-mahal nun. Ayaw bumukas. Ayaw bumukas. Ayaw bumukas.
usually, bumukulo yung tiyan ko.